What's up everybody, it's Shane the Rise and Grind Picker, and in this video we're going to do some retail arbitrage and try to find the best steals and deals at Walmart. If you can't hear me in some points of the video, it's because, well, I have a mask on and sometimes I'm hard to hear. So I stopped by the clearance aisle and it's pretty garbage, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna look around and see if I can find anything good, maybe on hidden clearance or anything, but I doubt we're going to, just because it just don't look good. There's not many items here. All the items are, ooh, look at that, $59. I wonder if we can find this any cheaper. Oh, by the way, what I'm scanning with is the Walmart app. Nope, it's 59 bucks. And you can actually scan stuff with the Walmart app and it'll tell you the real price if it's mispriced or not the right price. Okay. Really don't see anything that I would even scan hardly. It's pretty empty. You can tell some people definitely hit this up pretty good. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's hand sanitizer. It's 50 cents. That's 50 cents, this hand sanitizer. I'm just gonna scan it on the Walmart app and see if it's actually 50 cents or if it's cheaper. It says out of stock. Really? Out of stock. I wonder if this is the same price. It's 50 cents too. Let's see if this is the same price. Oh, it does say 50 cents, so I'm assuming it's all 50 cents. I wonder if you can sell these on eBay. Might be able to sell this on eBay. Ooh. I don't know. You probably could, but I don't know if I'm gonna chance it or not. Okay, we got some hidden clearance we just found in toys. These are marked $4.97 and they are actually $2. And I'm going to show you what I did. I just went ahead and scanned them on the Walmart app. This is going to be really hard to do with one hand. So I went ahead and scanned them on the Walmart app, syncs to my store, and boom, $2. So I'm actually going to probably sell these on eBay in a 2-pack. Should be able to get $16 a 2-pack out of these. And another one right here. Same one. We're going to go ahead and buy all of them. I think it's a good deal. Just gonna go ahead and put that right back up there and scan some more stuff and see what else we can find. I wonder if any of these up here would be those. Probably not, but a bunch of Zuru boxes, and I don't think these are made by Zuru. It's Basic Fun. So probably not going to be any hidden up there on the shelf. But we're still going to try to find some stuff. Did pretty good. Alright, so these are a pretty good deal. I'm going to get them for $5. They'll sell for about $27 on eBay. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of these. I think they'll do really, really well. Work shirts are always pretty good. As long as they're all new with tags. That's all that matters. But I do like the price of these, so that's why I'm picking them up. For $5, you really can't beat it. There's some active comps for about 27, 28 bucks. So I feel like that's a pretty good buy. So pretty decent. Oh, there's more. And another one. Fix this so we don't lose it, because I definitely want all the stuff that comes with. All right, cool. So that wasn't any kind of a hidden clearance deal or anything. I was just walking around the store and happened to find them. When I'm looking at hidden clearance stuff, I look at a site called BrickSeek, and if you see it here, this is what it looks like right here. It's called Brick, like as in a brick in your house, and Seek as in like S-E-E-K, and it helps me find some of the deals that most people wouldn't find, because it will send me alerts, and basically what happens is some of the stuff at Walmart that they haven't pulled to reprice or anything like that, you will find them tagged full price on the shelf. The problem is Walmart is, they know about this site. I've done a video on it before. It's been a ton of people do videos on it, and they know about the site, and so when it goes down to like 3 cents, they try to pull it so no one can buy it, because then they hold it, and once it hits the lowest price, it will actually go back full price in their system. So I was searching for about 4 or 5 items on BrickSeek at this Walmart, and I didn't find it, but I did find some other stuff and other clearance I could sell to flip and make some money. If you found those at your store and you didn't want to sell them, they would be really good deals, like the Dickies shirt for $5. I'll flip those pretty good. And that little Cutios toy for $2, that was, I think, $4.97 on the shelf at the Walmart. Also, here's one of the things. We're going to another store. Why are we going to another store? Because this one kind of sucked. But I have all that stuff at the last store that I bought, and I have my truck today, and I can't really fit it in a lot of places, so it's back behind my seat. So comment down below in this video to not let me forget all my merchandise behind the seat, because I actually went back there a week ago and found stuff I bought from like 6 months ago that I forgot about. So comment down below and remind me. But wait, there's more! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up on this video. And we are off to another store. Okay, I figured this was going to be a hit and a miss. I was in this Walmart the other day looking for some hidden clearance and didn't find it. And everything that we came in here for from BrickSeek, we've not found. There was a On mouse that was like 3 cents. They're supposed to have 6 of them. We didn't find it. There was a few other electronics, like some tablets that were on brand. We didn't find them. So I'm just looking for something, I don't know, something that I can find that I can buy, either to keep or resell or whatever, but the shelves are bare. Okay, we found some more of these. These were the ones we found in the other store. Let's see if they even ring up the rate. Let's see if they're hidden or not. They're $2 at the other store. And they're $4.97 at this store, full price. So they were full price at this store, but the other store was literally like, I don't know, 10 miles to 12 miles away, and they were $2 there. Whew, this store is crazy, and I'm probably, oh my gosh, it is a madhouse. All right, we just got out of that second store, and it was garbage. It was bad. It was really, really bad. But today, what's weird is I haven't used BrickSeek in a long time, and I'm gonna start making more of these videos using BrickSeek and going to Walmart and seeing if I can find the actual items, because today we found 0 items on BrickSeek, and there was a lot that we were actually looking for, and I mean like probably 15 to 20 items that I didn't share because I'd never found them. I looked around and 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 didn't find them. So I don't think BrickSeek is actually that accurate anymore. I don't know. We're going to try to measure it a little bit, and how we're going to measure it is just literally looking for these deals in Walmart and clearance items and stuff like that to see if we can find them. But I really want to know if BrickSeek is actually accurate. It used to be really accurate, like maybe 2 years ago, or a year and a half to 2 years ago, you could literally find every item that you actually were looking for, almost. Not every, but very close. Now it's just kind of like you could check and it's just, you're just not finding anything. So I'm gonna keep doing some of these videos, and I appreciate you watching. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one.